Come on, Mav. Don't think. Just do.
Abbiamo bisogno del supporto dell'artiglieria!
Tell me when you see smoke in the air!
Operatore radio incosciente!
Smoke in the air! Smoke in the air! Hang on! Yeah, man! Splash one! Splash one! Here comes another one! Booster flares! No, no, no! Splitting the throttles? Coming around!
Caricare a PCR!
To be towed, to be towed. You got him, Mav, you got him! Taking a shot! What the? Holy shit! What the fuck was that? Hang on! We gotta get low! The terrain will confuse his targeting system. Here he comes! Talk to me, Rooster! Where is he? He's still on us!
Il cannoniere è stato ferito!
We took a hit! We took a hit! Damn it! Come on, man! Do some of that pilot shit! Brace yourself! Holy shit! I got towed! Taking a shot! Damn it! Out of missiles! Switching to guns! Come on, man, come on! You got him, man! It's not over yet. One last chance. You can do this! Come on, Maverick.
Fermi! Fermi!
Yes! Splash two! Oh my god. Where the hell is this guy? He's on our nose. Damn it! We're out of ammo. Smoke in the air! Rooster flares! That was close! We're out of flares, Mav! Shit, he's already on us!
Sistema di elevazione danneggiato.
Ah, this is not good!
Il nostro aeroporto è stato perforato.
We took another hit! No, 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 no! We can't take much more of this! We can't outrun this guy. We gotta eject. What? We need altitude. Pull the ejection handles the second I tell you. Mav, wait! Rooster, there's no other way! Eject! 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 Rooster, pull the handle! Eject! It's not working!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. Preso.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is your savior speaking. Please fasten your seatbelts, return your tray tables to their locked and upright positions, and prepare for landing.
Hey, Hangman. You look good.
I am good, Rooster. I'm very good. I'll see you back on deck.